Bangkok is one of the most exciting cities on earth. Chaotic, beautiful, fast, affordable, and completely unpredictable. Today, I'm taking you on a real street walk through Sukhumvit Soi 1, right in the heart of Bangkok, where luxury meets street life, where expats, locals, tourists, and digital nomads all collide. We're going to explore the lifestyle, the vibe, the street culture, and what daily life actually feels like here. If you've ever wondered what living in Bangkok is like, this video is for you. Sukhumvit is one of Bangkok's most famous districts. This whole area is known for international hotels, nightlife, street food, luxury condos, hospitals, expat communities, shopping malls, and nonstop energy. Soi means side street in Thai, so Sukhumvit Soi 1 is one of many smaller streets branching off the main Sukhumvit Road. What's interesting about this area is the contrast. You'll see million-dollar condos, street vendors selling $2 meals, luxury cars, and motorbike taxis, all on the same street. That contrast is Bangkok in a nutshell.
Yo!
One thing you notice immediately in Bangkok is the energy. The city never really sleeps. You've got street vendors cooking all day, bars open till 6 a.m. in the morning, people working late, tourists exploring, girls just materializing from every crevice, delivery riders everywhere. Constant movement 24/7. Bangkok has about 11 million people, and you certainly feel that density. But surprisingly, even with the chaos, there's a kind of rhythm to everything. Traffic flows in its own way, people adapt quickly, and life keeps moving. It's organized chaos, and once you understand it, it's actually very efficient and exciting. Bangkok is famous worldwide for street food, and Sukhumvit is one of the best places to experience it. You can have grilled meats, fresh fruit Thai iced tea, noodles fried rice, mango sticky rice, and full meals for just a few dollars. Eating out here is often cheaper than cooking. Many locals eat outside daily because food is fast, affordable, and incredibly fresh. And honestly, Thai street food is one of the biggest reasons people fall in love with this city. Bangkok offers a very high quality of life for a relatively low cost compared to Western cities. Here in Sukhumvit, you'll find a lot of modern apartments with luxury gyms, rooftop pools, and co-working spaces. There are cafes everywhere, and you can rent a decent condo here for a fraction of what you'd pay in cities like Toronto, London, or New York. Convenience is another big part of Bangkok life. 7-Eleven stores are everywhere, seriously, everywhere, and cheap transport food delivery in minutes, with everything accessible 24/7. It's one of the reasons digital nomads and expats love living here.
What's this? Oh. It's legal here? Oh, really?
Getting around Bangkok is an experience on its own. You've got Grab ride services, taxis, motorbike taxis, BTS SkyTrain, and the MRT subway. Motorbike taxis are the fastest way through traffic, but definitely not for the faint-hearted. And as you can see here, I'm barely hanging on to this bike. Traffic here can be intense, but public transport is cheap and reliable. Many people choose condos near BTS stations because it makes life much easier and commuting much faster. One thing I really like about Sukhumvit is how international it feels. You'll see a potpourri of Thai locals, obviously, Western expats, African entrepreneurs, Japanese residents, Middle Eastern tourists, and digital nomads from everywhere. Bangkok is truly global. Yet despite being international, Thai culture is very strong, especially in how polite and respectful people are. You'll always hear the Thai customary greeting, the hands together and bowing of the head, calm communication, strong respect culture, and emphasis on harmony. That cultural balance gives Bangkok a very unique feel. At nighttime, Sukhumvit transforms into a spectacle. The streets become brighter, louder, and more alive. You will find eclectic night markets, bars of every kind and for every desire, restaurants for every palate, street performers, neon lights everywhere. Bangkok is famous for nightlife, but beyond that, it's really about the energy. People socializing, eating, relaxing, and enjoying life in this free oasis in the East. What makes Bangkok special isn't just the food or the cost of living. It's the feeling. Life here feels kind of fast, but relaxed as well. Busy yet enjoyable, chaotic but calming. You adapt quickly. The city challenges you, but it also rewards you with experiences you can't find anywhere else. That's for sure. If you enjoyed walking through Sukhumvit with me, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow my journey. I'll be exploring more of Bangkok, the real lifestyle, hidden spots, and what living here truly looks like. Welcome to Thailand, and see you in the next video.
Okay.